reference.
Norwich fans as well. Come on, Norwich fans. You've had a great point at Spurs. Should have won the game. Let's hear from you.
Plus, you might hear Robbie Savage make this weird noise he made earlier.
Oh.
What? That was Robbie Savage reacting to a goal at where was it? Leicester City.
It was at QPR.
It was QPR. Sorry, it was QPR's equaliser at the Etihad. Sorry.
Oh.
There it is again, Rob. Let's hear it one more time so we can let's just really enjoy. Take the bed down a little bit so we can really hear this. This is what Robbie did. Listen.
Oh.
We'd like to be in the hotel room next door to you. Okay, this is 606. I'm Johnny. He's Doc Savage.